Barker from Toyworld, and what we found today is some cute new elephants called Flappy, and they're for babies, and they show how
Hello,
to do
baby.
peekaboo.
Peekaboo is most fun with you. Where'd you go? Peekaboo, I found you. Where am I? Here I am. Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Hi, cutie pie.
So as you can see, it's super cute. It talks, and there's 2 in stock at the moment, and then it also sings.
Hello, baby. Let's sing together. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low?
And that goes on for a long time, but this is super cute, and little babies, little kids will love them. They're so soft and cuddly, and you should come in and buy them today or now.